Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. I want to give you an idea today for your kitchen. And it's this. A lot of us have a bank of cabinets. We live in homes that were built by builders that are kind of cookie cutter. This is the way the cabinets are. Some of us have a soffit that comes down solid right to those cabinets. You can't use this idea. But some of us above those cabinets have like some space before the ceiling. And people put plants, they put baskets. I've put platters on easels up there until I decided to make my kitchen look taller, bigger, better, more custom, more design. And here's how you do it. You add a bank of cabinets. Check this out. Add cabinets on top of your cabinets. Now I chose to use non-solid wood doors, just some glass with window painting. And what you put up there are things you don't use that often. Of course you can still get at these items with a small ladder, but put things up there that you don't use all the time and yet still need to be stored. Some of your pretty things, if you have a stack of china that you really only use a few times a year, whatever it is, put those up there and suddenly your kitchen will look so much taller. Even if your ceiling is whatever it was before, you're going to swear it's another foot taller and wider and brighter and more fun. So that's my tip for you. Make your kitchen bigger. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, scroll through this channel. You will find tons of life hacks and advice, because I'm your mom. And then go to my website, jonihilton.com. See you next time.